Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning into my channel for the first time, hi, my name is Ria and I make content on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. Do take a moment and subscribe to my channel. With that, let's begin today's video. Back in March this year, I made a detailed review video on the COSRX Snail Mucin products, Snail Mucin Essence as well as the Snail Mucin All-in-One Cream. And till date, it's my most loved video so far. I've gotten almost 25k views on it and it's going up every day. I'm so grateful. So first of all, thank you so much for giving so much of love to that video. And secondly, a lot of you had so many questions regarding the Snail Mucin products. So in this video, I'm going to clear all of your questions one by one. So stay tuned and keep watching. I have received a lot of similar questions, so I've clubbed them accordingly, but I'll try my best to cover all of your questions and queries regarding the Snail Mucin products so that if you decide to use them, you can get the most effective results out of it. So I've made a list of questions here and I'll be answering them one by one. So one of the questions that I was receiving was, did I receive genuine COSRX products? What do the actual products look like? So yes, I have received absolutely 100% genuine COSRX products. I have actually restocked them. So I'll tell you guys where to get your COSRX products from, where they'll be 100% genuine. So first of all, of course, Nykaa. The first time around when I bought the COSRX products, I had gotten them off Nykaa. And if you want to be really safe, I think Nykaa is the best option. Though I don't think you can get the best deals on Nykaa when it comes to K-beauty products like COSRX. I have gotten better deals on K-beauty products on different websites and e-commerce platforms rather than Nykaa. But if you want to be safe, then go for Nykaa. Otherwise, there are a couple of options where you can get your COSRX products from. They too are safe. Recently, I restocked both the all-in-one cream and the Snail Mucin Essence, and I got them off a e-commerce website called Beauty Barn. Now, Beauty Barn only deals with K-beauty products, and they have so many different K-beauty brands and products to choose from, and they're 100% genuine as well. So if you're interested, you can check the links in the description box below. I did get a better deal at Beauty Barn during the Diwali sale, so I grabbed it from there, and it is a trusted website for me, so you can definitely check it out. Otherwise, like I mentioned, you have Nykaa. Now coming to what the actual products will look like. This is what the Snail Mucin Essence bottle should look like. It should have this tag at the front, and at the back it should be labeled with direction, caution, and also where it's made and manufactured, and it should have something written in Korean. At the bottom of the pack, a batch number should be mentioned, and overall this is what the bottle should look like. The texture of the Snail Mucin is very slimy. It should make streaks when you first take it on your hands, and while applying it there should be streaks of it. It should look slimy, and it's supposed to feel slimy onto your skin and then disappear. The all-in-one cream comes in a tub format and it should look like this. It should have a labeling at the front, and again at the back there should be something mentioned in Korean, and also the directions and caution mentioned in English. Again at the bottom it should have a batch number mentioned, and the actual product should look very white and slimy, and when you take it on your palms and apply it on your skin, it should look very slimy and feel very slimy and greasy. Both the Snail Mucin Essence and the all-in-one cream has almost no smell whatsoever. So that was the first question. Now coming on to the second question, is it smell free? Like I just mentioned, it's supposed to be smell free. I, for an instance, have a very sensitive nose. I can detect smell very easily, but it does not smell like anything to me. According to me, it has no fragrance, but if you're someone with a very sensitive nose, then you might detect a very slight fragrance, but it's so faint that it's not bothersome at all. So yeah, but in most cases, I don't think you can detect a fragrance, but in case you do detect a very strong fragrance, there are chances that your Snail Mucin product is not original. Now coming to the third question, which is it suitable for oily skin and sensitive skin? Both the COSRX Snail Mucin products are advertised as suitable for all skin types, and this one, according to me, is truly suitable for all skin types, provided you know how to use it. It's very important you know how to use this product correctly, otherwise it could break you out. I'll come to that in a while, but if you have oily or sensitive skin, you can definitely use this. However, with the all-in-one cream, I feel like it could be a little too hydrating for someone with oily skin. You can probably use it during the winters, but I would suggest to stay away from it during the summers if you are someone with very oily skin. But for someone with a sensitive skin, I think you can give it a go, try it and test it out. It should not really break you out because it's a very lightweight, hydrating moisturizer, even though it can feel a little sticky at the beginning, but it does dissolve into your skin very beautifully after a few minutes. But in general, I would suggest this moisturizer for dry to combination skin people. Wouldn't really suggest it to oily skin people until and unless you're using it in winters. Now, next question is, do I need to use both or is only one product enough? I actually answered this in the first video that I made itself, but I guess a lot of you missed that. So I'm going to repeat myself, and no, I don't think you need to use both the products for it to be actually effective. I think you should choose either as per your preference. For the last 6 months, I have not been using the moisturizer. I literally restocked mine just a few weeks back to do this video, but I actually stopped using it since I have other moisturizers. But to answer your question, no, you can just choose one. Both the essence and the moisturizer essentially has very similar ingredients, so you can use just one product. It completely depends on your preference and what you are exactly looking for. If you're looking to use a good serum for your skincare, then this only should do, and you can use any other moisturizer to top it off with. But if you have your serum sorted and you're looking for a really heavy hydrating moisturizer, then go for this one. Or if you just want to incorporate both these products into your skincare, you can do that as well. But my recommendation would be to use just one product because that itself does the job. Next question I have, which was a little unexpected for me, but a lot of you asked, can I keep them in the fridge? So to answer your question, yes, you can if you like your skincare to be cold. If you like the sensation of cold products onto your skin, then definitely go ahead and refrigerate them. There are no side effects to it. It's completely a personal preference. I, for an instant, don't do it because I feel like it's going to be an additional task to go to my refrigerator every day and then take it out, apply it, and then keep it back again. But to each their own. So if you're willing to do that, definitely you can. Now the next question is one of the most popular questions. Does it cause breakouts, or why is it breaking me out? Not just you all, but a few of my friends have actually had the same complaint, but then I told them the trick and it stopped. So to answer your first question, no, it does not cause breakouts, but it might if you do not know how to use the product correctly. And I'm not talking about the moisturizer here. It's a moisturizer. You can use it after you're done with the rest of your skincare routine. But when it comes to the essence, there's a way to use it. Otherwise, it could cause breakouts. Please do make sure that your skin is damp when you apply the Snail Mucin Power Essence. Otherwise, it might cause breakouts like it has to a lot of people around me. Either apply the essence right after cleansing your face when the skin is still damp, or after cleansing your face, use a toner. And while your face is still damp, use this, and then it should not cause any breakouts. A friend of mine back in the day used to use this on a dry face and she was having breakouts. She started using the product on my recommendation, and then she told me one day that she's having breakouts with this. I asked her how she has been using it, and then and there I knew this is why it was causing breakouts. Please do keep this in mind whenever you're using the Snail Mucin essence, that always use it on a damp face. Next question that I have is, can we directly apply Snail Mucin after washing our face, and can it be used before makeup? So firstly, yes, you can use it directly after washing your face, but while your face is still damp, don't dry it completely and then use it. Then it can lead to breakouts. And yes, you can of course use it before makeup. I religiously use the Snail Mucin essence before my makeup, do my whole skincare, and then only do my makeup. And Snail Mucin essence is very much a part of it. Today I have used both the Snail Mucin essence as well as the all-in-one cream before doing my makeup. And if you're someone with dry skin, the Snail Mucin essence is going to work wonders before you do your makeup. It acts as a really good hydrating base, so definitely recommend to use it before makeup. And now coming to the most asked and the last question for this video is step-by-step routine using both together and how to layer skincare with these. So in the next clip, I'm going to explain how I use both these products together so that you can get a better understanding of how you can use the products together. So I start off by cleansing my face. Sometimes I double cleanse when I have makeup on, but on regular days I can just use a simple face wash. After washing my face, I use a hydrating toner and spray it all over my face and then tap it onto my skin. Then I take the Snail Mucin essence. I take 2 pumps of it and then tap it all over my skin. Once it absorbs, I move on to the other serums. So in the daytime, I would generally either go for a glow serum or a vitamin C serum. And if I'm doing my PM routine, I would generally go for retinol. Right now, I'm going to use the glow serum. Next, I would use the COSRX all-in-one cream as a moisturizer. I'll take just enough to cover my whole face. You don't need a lot of it because it's so hydrating and moisturizing. And finally, in my AM routine, I would top it off with a sunscreen. Otherwise, in PM routine, the all-in-one cream would be the last step. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope I was able to answer all of your questions related to the COSRX Snail Mucin products. If you have any more questions, do feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I would try my best to answer them. If you liked watching this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys very soon with another video. Until then, take care, keep smiling. Bye.